How to modify and change device disconnections and connection sounds on Windows 11. So from the bottom of your taskbar, go ahead and go all the way over to the network and sound option. You'll go ahead and right click on that, and then it should give you a couple options. You're going to want to go ahead and click on the sound settings option. Once you've clicked on the sound setting option, it should pop open the system sound options in your Windows settings. You may need to scroll down, but go ahead and scroll down all the way till you get to more sound settings. Go ahead and click on that. After you've gone ahead and hit on the more sound settings, a window will appear showing playback, recording, sounds, and communications tabs. Go ahead and click on the sounds tab. And then from here, you're going to want to head and go down to the program events. Scroll down till you get to the device connect and device disconnect options. Once you're at the device connect option, go ahead and click on that and just hit the test button so you can hear the sound. So now you can confirm that is the sound that you hear when a device connects. Go ahead and click the device disconnect sound. And now we know what the device disconnect sound sounds like. Let's go ahead and test that by plugging in a USB drive to our computer. And as we can hear, that is the device connect sound. And now let's test the device disconnect sound by disconnecting the USB drive. And we could hear that as well once we disconnected the USB drive. So now we want to customize it and give it a new sound. So what we'll go ahead and do is, once you're selected on the sound you want to edit or customize, we'll start with device connect. You'll go ahead and go over to the browse option. After you click browse, it will open up your file explorer, and you'll notice that the customize sound option requires that you use a WAV file. Now what I've gone ahead and done is I have downloaded sounds from the My Instance website. I've made a couple tutorials on how to use that. I'll link one here now. What you can go ahead and do is download your sounds that you want to use from My Instance, and then you'll have to convert them from MP3 to WAV files. Now you can do that simply by using a program such as Audacity, just opening the files within Audacity and then exporting it as a WAV file. So that's what I've gone and done here, which has given me my Vine Boom sound effect as well as my SpongeBob Fail sound effect. So I'm going to use the Vine Boom sound as our sound for when we connect a device. So let's go ahead and click on that. We'll click open. And we'll now see that it has selected Vine Boom as our device connect option. So we'll go ahead and test that here just to make sure that's the sound we want. As we can hear, that is the sound we wanted. And let's go ahead and select device disconnect, hit browse. And once again, I've cut to my downloads folder. I'll go ahead and select on the SpongeBob Fail sound. Click on open. And then we can go ahead and test that. So we have now customized our device connect and device disconnect sounds. Let's go ahead and connect the USB drive just so we can test those sounds. And you'll notice there, it did not play the sound. That is because I forgot to hit the apply button. So after you've made the changes, make sure you hit the apply button. Now that I've gone ahead and hit the apply button, let's go ahead and actually give it a good test by plugging in that USB drive. That was plugging in the USB drive, and let's do the device disconnect. And we have the SpongeBob Fail sound. So that is how you customize and change your device connect and device disconnect sounds on Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.